I think I put too much baking soda. Achoo! Whoo!
The Volcano Experiment. The Pink Disaster.
Wednesday afternoon, at the Harrison House. Two young scientists are about to conduct a very important experiment.
Let's look at the instructions. I think this part goes here. Okay, let's look at the instructions. Step 1. Make a volcano shape with clay. I know. And make the top pointier and the sides smoother. Yes, that looks much better now.
Step 3, put 1 spoon of baking soda in the hole, then slowly pour the white vinegar.
The paper said it would be a huge eruption. This looks so boring. I totally agree. The teacher is going to be very disappointed.
Is this your school science project?
Yes, we poured vinegar to make it erupt. It's too tiny. There's nothing epic about it.
I see the problem here. They need more power. Tom, Anna, listen to me. I just had a brilliant idea. We just need to add more baking soda. It'll be 10,000 times bigger.
Dad, maybe we shouldn't...
Trust me, kids. Something bad is going to happen. I can feel it. More powder! More fun!
Dad, that's too much! Dad... The whole bottle? Pour the whole bottle into the bowl.
Here goes nothing. Wait a minute! Ah! Well, that was unexpected.
I'm shocked. Mom is going to kill us.
Achoo! Why me? I was just sleeping. Okay, maybe I put too much baking soda. Just a little bit? Well, that was unexpected.
Dad, your hair looks like a pink flamingo.
What on earth is going on here? My clean kitchen! Everyone get a mop right now. We're cleaning this up for the next 2 hours.
Go to the living room, Biscuit. Dad, you look like a pink flamingo dancing ballet.
Thank you for the helpful comment, son.
I meant when the volcano exploded.
I have to buy a new tie now. Sorry about your nose, buddy.
Dad, you look like a pink flamingo dancing ballet.
Thank you for the helpful comment, son.
I meant when the volcano exploded.
I have to buy a new tie now. Sorry about your nose, buddy.
Here's our volcano project, Mr. Peterson. We have some evidence, too. Please watch this video on the phone.
Let's see what you guys did. Wow, this is intense. This is very interesting. This is the most realistic volcanic eruption I've ever seen in my 20 years of teaching.
Our dad helped us a lot, sir.
Your dad is very passionate about science education. I'm giving you an A+. And I hope your dad's hair goes back to black soon.
Our dad helped us a lot, sir.
Your dad is very passionate about science education. That pink stain is still there. I scrubbed it 3 times. Wait, what? An A+? Really?
The teacher said you're very passionate about science. And he hopes your pink hair goes away.
So, was pouring half a kilo of baking soda worth it?
It was a disaster, but the result is fantastic. Yes, it was absolutely worth it, honey.
Oh, Nick, you're unbelievable.
Science is awesome!
We make a great team, kids! Are you still mad at me for yesterday, buddy? I forgive you, but I won't forget. Biscuit took a bath 3 times, and Dad bought a brand new tie.
Tom and Anna got an A+. The kitchen was sparkling clean.